In the event of an emergency, response time is crucial. We have developed a system of database reporting which can prevent medical errors and shorten response time. Emergency medical professionals are trained to locate our emergency emblems or QR code on patients, which identify them as Health Data Alert members. EMTs will immediately be able to view your medical record online through our secure website. What makes Health Data Alert a success? We have put you in charge of your own records. Health Data Alert enables you to type in or upload your own medical history into our secure server database. Enter as little or as much information you feel necessary. Even scanned document or images, including a living will, doctor's note, lab results, advanced directives, X-ray, CT scan, MRIs or echocardiograms. We invite you to become a new member of this easy-to-use website and sign up for free. To begin, go to the website healthdataalert.com. Here is our homepage. We have an easy-to-navigate menu on the top. Our service, insurance, pharmacy, news, affiliate, physician, privacy policy, and terms. You can see emergency option on the top right corner. Doctor and EMTs can quickly see your medical reports by entering the 10-character code or QR code, which you have created in your account. Beside the emergency code option, you can see another option, login/register. Here, old member can log in and new member can create new account by registering. New user can open this account for free. You need to choose a username which is available. Then input your email password and accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click register now. Then you get a confirmation email from Health Data Alert. Please save that information in a safe place. Here, you can see user control panel and has some sub-menu options. Here, you can enter your personal, medical, preventive, social history, family history, testing. You can also upload files and images. For this, you need to purchase a membership plan. There are 2 membership plan. Pick one that meets your needs. Gold membership plan. Platinum membership plan. Also, check out our shopping cart. Here, you can find bracelet, charm, pendant necklace, dog tag, personalized data entry. On the top right corner, you can find My Account option. You can change your password and 10-character code by clicking here. This will change your QR code too, so please be very careful how often you change it. You can find membership option. You can purchase a membership plan by clicking here. Here is another way to navigate to the 2 membership plans. Report. You can download your report by clicking here. You can also make your wallet card by clicking wallet card option. Now, your doctor can find all your medical record in one location. At the same time, preventing delays or unnecessary testing. Enjoy peace of your mind by avoiding additional visit doctor, officer or hospital. If you have any question about using this website, please, contact us in the upper menu. Thank you for building a lasting partnership with a trusted name in the medical field. Health Data Alert can save your life. Also, we invite you to become one of our trusted affiliate and receive compensation for promoting our website. Email us to receive an affiliate code and free browser for your friends and family.